You. What up? Alright. So, we got another one from Red Fox.
Okay. Rest in peace. Truly, a great man here. You know what I'm saying?
Legendary.
Yeah.
Legendary.
Yeah, he paved the way for a lot of comedians.
Yes.
We done some other stuff. I can't remember what we do. Wiping your ass.
Wash your ass.
Wash your ass. Okay. And what we got, man? What's this one?
This is Roll Your Boat.
Roll your boat.
Roll Your Boat.
Gently down the stream.
Merrily, 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 merrily.
Life is but a dream.
Yeah. Okay. So.
Yeah. I had to complete that little rendition. But let's go, man. I'm ready.
All right. Here we go.
We're gonna sing now. We're gonna sing a tune everyone here remembers. Watch. On the downbeat. God damn, there's a guy with a head kind of clear. And one back there in the middle, no hair. You see him, sir? You with the beard. Look back there and see your clone. And if y'all sitting close together and y'all lean y'all head in real close, look like somebody's ass. Hey, look. You didn't get angry, did you? Don't get angry, no. And you know black people carry knives. No, I ain't shitting you. It was in the paper. 2 weeks ago, I bought a knife. It was in the paper. It said, all black people carry knives. I said, shit, let me hurry up and get me one. I didn't know that. I've been carrying an ice pick 32 years. We're going to sing, roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily, merry, merry, life's but a dream. Everyone, please help on the downbeat. Row, row, row your boat. Merrily, merrily, merrily. All the good-looking people. Oh, fuck it, shut up. You know, goddamn well, some of y'all shouldn't have been singing. I was with old chick in Las Vegas a couple weeks ago. Asked me for $100. $100 to fuck. She said, $100? Shit, I thought she wanted to sell her car. I wish I had something on me cost me $100. I cut it off and barbecue it. Shit, $100. I don't live with nobody. I just want to drop in for a few minutes. And some of them $100 chicks, you can drop right in. $100. My ex-wife, I pay my ex-wife. I got 3 or 4, I don't remember. I pay $5,000 a month alimony. For 10 years I gotta pay that. That means I got to never stop working. Even when I'm in the hospital, I gotta work. $5,000 a month for 10 years. $600,000. Sir, have you ever seen $600,000 worth of pussy yet? Here's a white guy ain't seen that much pussy. How the judge figure I haven't seen that much pussy? God damn. You need a Mack truck to haul that much pussy on. Thing just... Hi, honey. She's pretty. That's your wife? Good. No, marriage is wonderful. Divorce is not too bad, but that alimony fucks you. There's a big fella there. How much you weigh, pal? How much you weigh there? About 230? Don't lie, a little bit more. Huh? 250, 240, 240 pounds. I'd hate to be around when you farted. Can you imagine a 240-pound fart coming at you? You better have on a wetsuit. Say, if any of you guys go diving down into the ocean, or the lake, or wherever you go, rivers, you ever fart in a wetsuit? Bubbles come right out the neck. Sharks be swimming away from you. God damn. The Lord fucked up quite a few times. A lot of people don't do it. But me not being an evangelist, I can say so. Lord certainly fucked up when he created woman. I expected that. Well, I'll prove my points. Lord did fuck up when he created woman. For years, people thought the Lord was Polish. Who else would build a snack bar next to a shit house?
Oh, shit. Okay, Red.
Man, he said if I had anything worth $100 on my body, I'd cut it off and barbecue. Oh man, $600,000 for some pussy, man.
Nobody ever seen no pussy worth 600,000.
Back then, Jesus. I don't know how many kids he had, but that's bananas though, man. Oh, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, rest in peace, man. Truly one of the greatest. Truly, man.
Yeah.
Was this a special? It seems like he was doing this for like an hour. It seems like
I think it was. It's probably some type of special. I don't know.
Yeah, y'all gotta let us know what this is from. I gotta see the whole thing. This is crazy. Dude was funny as hell.
Dude, you ever had a 240-pound fart come at you?
He would need a wetsuit. Killing the crowd, man. Oh man, he was all.
The two niggas look like an ass. The two niggas head look like an ass in the beginning.
Yeah, man. Truly an entertainer, man. Into his old age, man. What was he, like 65 right there? Man,
It looked like it. I think
70.
It's like he in the 60s.
Jesus. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Hopefully I'm funny when I'm 70.
I want to be a lot of things when I'm. Hopefully I'm walking when I'm 70.
Oh, for sure.
I want to be active.
Girls doing pussy at me for $100 when I'm 70.
You gonna be throwing $100 at girls for pussy when you 70. Well, hopefully you don't have to.
Yeah, I hope it's the other way around.
I don't know what red. Yeah. Nigga.
That's stupid.
Better hope for good health. Nigga. Fuck all that other shit. Just hope for good health at 70. Hope I can walk.
I hope I make it to 70.
Hope my dick still work at 70.
Oh yeah, pills for that, man.
Oh yeah,
Natural
true.
things.
It's gonna be a lot of stuff. It's gonna be a lot of new medical science.
Imagine,
in the
40 years
future.
from now, yeah, Jesus, man. Yeah. Having mechanical
Niggas-
hips and shit.
Yeah.
I'm here just for the feeling. You both gonna be hooked up to each other. It's
That'd be ridiculous.
we gotta get on the sex machine, baby. You get on the reverse it this time. Bring your ass up, girl.
Getting on our sex.
And you get up, doggy style. Remember this one? This bitch hips in this thing. Man, let's hope.